Hello guys, welcome back to Dear Dev. We are still figuring out Python, so let's dive in. We are looking into control flow. The thing with control flow is that they make working with Python sploofic. What do I mean? You could just print a statement and render something or display something or add things. But when you bring control flow into Python and into your coding, they turn it into a drama of your own making. You determine the characters, you determine the actors, you determine how everything runs around. Control flow brings life to your code. It stops being one boring straight line, and then a lot of things can happen. Let me show you what I mean. Conditions. That's one of the things that bring life to your code. Conditions. I'm throwing a party, and then I say allowed age is 18. I want to write a condition that allows people into my party if their age is above 18. So I say if age is greater than 18, print welcome in. So now anybody that is above 18 is allowed in. Imagine that. That looks a little dry until you bring in elif that says Mr. If, you can't just come and be a dictator and just tell us only 18. I have an opinion. Elif is always coming with his own opinion. Elif now comes in and says, if with parent, welcome in with parents. So Mr. If has come with his instruction and said you must be greater than 18. Elif comes with his opinion and said, don't just say that. I want people in if they are coming with their parents. Change the whole dynamic. So it's not just the greater than 18. There's a new condition, a new character to your drama. Then we have someone that says, okay, after you guys have decided whatever, I am here in case you need anything. That's the else. So if came with his instruction, elif said, I have an opinion. And else is saying, after you guys have decided, let me know how it works. I take the rest. We need to determine the person's age, and we also need to determine whether the person has a parent with him or her. I need to create a variable, age, an integer. Our allowed age is an integer because we are dealing with a numeric value here. With parents is Boolean because it's discussing true or false. We want to know if the person is coming with a parent. I have allowed age 18, age 19, with parent is true. Let's run this and see what happens. I'm using my Python 3, don't forget, and my code is in flow.py. It says welcome in. Look at what's happening here. This person's age is 19. The person has a parent with him. It says welcome in. Basically, as soon as you fulfill the condition for the detector, which is the if person, nothing else is considered. Welcome in. We don't want to know if you came with your parents or something else happened to you. So as soon as that first condition on the if has been achieved, that is the end of the transaction. We don't go further into the elif or else statement. So let us see when we go into the elif statement. This person is 12. Let's see what happens. Welcome in with parents. So when the person is not fulfilling the detector's request, Mr. If, it goes on to the person that has an opinion, elif. As with parent is true, welcome in with parents. Because you have fulfilled the other person that has an opinion's condition. And then, if you don't fulfill any of the two conditions, you go down to the else statement. So, let's say with parent is false. Says you are not allowed in. The detector determines what happens. If you don't fulfill the detector's instruction, you go on to any other thing that is available down there. So, if we don't have an opinion from elif, see what happens. Age is 12, with parent is true. As soon as you don't meet the condition of Mr. If, you go straight to the else person. So elif brings a second opinion. But when you don't have elif, you go down to the else statement. So with condition, you can bring about characters and different dynamics to your drama. I'm talking about your code. Don't forget to like this video and share with other people that want to learn the intricacies of Python. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that when the other series come, you'll be alerted. See you some other time. Bye-bye.